Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the cabin air filter on a Kia Sportage. It's a very easy process. You don't need any tools, so let's get started. For this project, I'm just using a Fram True Air. This is part number CV12160. You can get these online or at Walmart. I'll leave a link down in the description below. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is open your glove box. There's going to be a tab on this side that you have to disconnect. Just pinch these together and slide this off. There's also two bolts on both sides of the glove box you have to unscrew. And as you can see, they actually come out on this side. So if we get them lined up, and it just comes out. So just put these off to the side for now. And just let the glove box is going to fall down, so just keep that in mind. Fall down like that, and your filter is going to be located inside this box. And to open the box, we're just going to pinch these little two tabs right here, and this opens up like this. And then you just got to unhook it from this side. Then your air filter will just slide out. And then take note of the airflow, so the flow is down. Just take your filter out. Yeah, this thing's pretty nasty. Got leaves stuck in there, bugs. Just making sure they're the right size. Good. All right. So notice how the arrow pointed down on this one. And if you notice on this filter, the arrow's kind of cut off, but you can see that the arrow says airflow and there's an arrow pointing down. So we're just gonna slide it back in the same way we took the other one out. Slide it all the way in. And then replace your plastic clip. And clip it down on this side, and then you got to put your glove box back in place. And another one, and turns and locks in like that, and then put your damper back on. Clips on here like this, and then you're good to go. Alright, well that's how you change the air cabin filter on a Kia Sportage. If you found the video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching.